our daily news picks up a story of a crew member who has gone overboard from Jewel of the Seas. And this is a very, very sad story. As a matter of fact, as we zero in on what's happening with Royal Caribbean, it's highly disturbing because, as I have said in another video, and based on my studies in psychology, mental health is a serious issue, ladies and gentlemen. And the idea of being isolated, the idea of being contained and confined within a small space, the idea of the uncertainty of returning home even can trigger all sorts of responses. And such might have been the case of this young man, only 26 years old, an electrician from Poland, who late night on the 30th of April went overboard. The search went on for some time, and there was no recouping of the young man or what could have been his remains. And so the captain went ahead and advised the remaining crew on board that counseling is available. Counseling has always been available through their 24/7 assistance line, just for people to talk. Many times we underestimate the value of just talking. But as we talk things through, as we aerate what's going on in our minds, in our hearts, our fears, our concerns, it usually lightens the load. So this young man, only his first name has been made available, Christoph, from Poland. You know, somebody's son, somebody's brother, somebody's nephew, their loved one might never be found, you know. And as a result, we now mourn together with that family who has lost a son. Chances are his mind just told him that he needed to be free. And so he went overboard. Now, the Jewel of the Sea is currently south of Piraeus, Greece, anchored like so many other vessels out at sea, with the captain and crew still on board. And the word was on deck 12, they found his sea pass, and the 24-hour confidential employee assistance counseling program is available for all. There is another situation that has developed with Royal Caribbean, and this is for the Oasis of the Seas. Just docked out at sea as well. They have confirmed another 3 deaths from the virus. And so people are fearful. It is beginning to get scary on all fronts, because here we are, persons just like you and I, trying to etch out a living. Persons have worked on cruise ships for years. Families have had the father work for years, and then the son or the daughter have joined the cruising business, and they have made success. They have been able to feed their families. They've been able to secure property. They've been able to carve out a good life. And many of them have their goals, their 10-year, 14-year, 15-year plan, and then to return home. And to have this new situation present this level of uncertainty is surely changing the views of cruising. And in all honesty, I think the decision of a few currently impacting the lives of many. This is a situation unparalleled, and I really do pray for a speedy resolution, because these are lives of hardworking individuals, and it is sad to see that this is where we're all coming to.